The space nurse should be the strangest diseases. People with this disease can only feel half of the world, but even seem that the world does not exist at. They may only scratch the face or only eat half of the food. The neurosurgeon Olafus Sachs has mentioned this case before. He said that a female patient's intelligence and sense of is the as before. However, she only wears half of lipstick or only from one side. She often complains that the food is too small. But strange thing is that when someone tells her to look at the food on, she will turn to right and turn a complete circle to see the food side. Then she will continue to take circle and repeat such actions. It seems that the end right sides are different worlds. In half-test space, nurses are of mental illness. Most patients are affected by half-ball after they completely lose their of the other world. For example, they only know how half-face, read half of the newspaper, or someone approaches them, they don't notice it. And this situation will only affect their sense, the world, but even their memories will disappear. In 1970, conducted an interesting experiment. They let the WHO had half-body space nurses imagine that they are on a familiar square. They what square in the patients could remember what left. They could only describe the scene on, but when the researchers asked them to opposite the on, the square was now gone. They can now recall the on right side. In other words, these patients' memories are complete. They just ignore the left side vision, whether it's past or the present. About 80% half-body space nurses will have left side space nurses. This is because the body is controlled by the right brain, and the right brain is processing space and attention than the left brain. The right brain is only responsible the space on side, but also responsible monitoring the space on and. Left brain is mainly responsible the space on when the upper left eye is seriously injured. He often forgets the space information on as if their left eye is completely gone. Although the left upper eye may also lead to halfway space loss, the right upper eye has the two handle the space on. Therefore, when the left upper eye is damaged, right upper eye can usually make for this flaw. In fact, half-side space nurses to realize what problems this video Peggy had in the right side 10 Peggy copied this star. He successfully the right half side, but the left half side seems to have. When the doctor asked him to his memory, you see, the left half side flower has disappeared. Until doctor asked him why he didn't draw the left side, he realized problem. So it's a matter of, half of world seems to buy a mysterious force.